Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw this cute little monkey right here. I've already shown you how to draw this cute little cat. I think I might be doing these other characters on other days. But today I'm going to show you how to draw this cute little cheeky monkey. Alright, and all you'll need for this are a paper, pencil, and I'd recommend a black pen to do some outlining. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to make an oval. It's going to be a nice round oval, and that's going to serve as his head. Next, we're going to find the sides of his ears, and we're going to draw two ears, one on this side, and I'm going to kind of make an invisible line across to the other side so I can get them about the same height. And then I'm going to do an outline. So I'm going to go around that first circle shape to make a bigger ear. I'm going to do the same thing on this side as well. Next, starting at the top of this ear, I'm going to make a little wavy line. It curves down towards the center, back up, and down towards the ears. So it's just a little wavy line. Now in the center, I'm going to put a little oval, and I'm going to draw one circle on this side of the nose and another circle on the other side. I'm going to give him a little half smile, and then I'm going to start to draw his body. So for his arms, I'm going to make some U shapes. One going down on the left, and I'm going to do the same thing on the right. They sort of look like jelly bean shapes. They're kind of long. You might have a little curve in them. They might be straight. Whichever way you do it, I'm sure it'll be fine. Next, we're going to draw his legs. And his legs are going to be coming out the sides. So I'm going to start on the side of the arm, and I'm going to make that same sort of U shape on one side. I'm going to do the same thing. There goes that U shape on the other side. And then right in the center, I'm going to put an upside down U, just like that. So we've got our monkey. He just needs a tail. So for the tail, I'm going to start right here in this corner where the arm and the leg meet. And I'm going to make a candy cane shape, just like that. I'm going to round the top of the cane, and then I'm going to trace it all the way back. And there's his tail. All right, next, this is a great time to use an outlining pen. We're going to outline the shape of our monkey. All right, so we've got it all outlined, and now for my favorite part, you're going to get an eraser, and you're going to lightly erase any pencil marks that are still showing. This is going to make your drawing look nice and neat and look very clean and finished. This is a good artist tip for when you want something to look completed and ready to present or give to someone. All right, and there you go. You've got a cute little cheeky monkey. I hope you had fun. Have a great day. Bye.